afternoon everyone. So I'm here again to show some products that I buy and share for everyone people. And this is my collections that I buy it in Lazada or TikTok. Sometimes I'm ordering in Shopee for imported perfumes. I buy it per boxes for collections, and I sometimes I give it to my families and my relatives also, and sometimes I give it to my friends and my church families in LDS Mormon. So I'm standing here to testify that this are true, and take a look guys what products I show for everyone people now. And I could not telling this for all of you to insulting your part. I endorse what product I buy to all customer to modelize a lots of these products I show on my Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and my YouTube channel. So don't miss it to subscribe to learn something lesson with this show, live performances in public. Take a look guys what I have today. So this one is to Lazada. So I buy a Lancet pen for using for blood sugar tests. The next is JNT Express. I love bags. This is a backpack. I love collect bags. Sometimes my employer they give it to me gifts or anything. Sometimes accessories or souvenir money like that. I keep it and save it as a memories in my work. And this is the last. These are the products that I buy it in Lazada. Look at them. It's beautiful, you know. And I encourage them all people who would like to buy a lots of these products I show to modelize this item for all customer wants to buy this thing that I use it. Being as a model of a Tupperware branch direct selling, I endorse with you these products, and these are absolutely granted and safe to use it. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu and gracias everyone.